You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for BeYOUtiful. Yeah, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl BeYOUtiful. So today's video is going to be all about ancient cosmetics. I've talked about them before on my channel. I'll leave that previous review in the eye and also in the description bar, since that is featuring different products. Thank you again for Ancient Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video. I've said this multiple different times before. Even though a video is sponsored or something's been gifted to me, my review and my opinions and my thought is always honest, okay? If y'all see this lash up, just ignore it. It just won't stay. So your girl got herself the Ancient Cosmetics Sugar Rush and Rose Hip Oil Whipped Soap. When I got this, I was like low-key confused because I never heard of a whipped soap before, unless I'm like super not involved. I don't know, but I'm gonna show y'all what the texture looks like. This smells like candy. It's like a sugary, well, duh, it's a Sugar Rush. It smells so good and it's pink, so y'all know I'm loving the look of that off rip. When I use this, at first I was like, ooh, I don't know how much to use. A little bit goes a long way. It lathers amazingly, okay? It smells good. It left my skin very hydrated. The ingredients in this, I mean, it has like coconut oil, safflower oil, it has tons of oils in here, so it's very hydrating in my opinion. I definitely enjoyed this. It's different from regular liquid soap or bar soap, so I just like the change of it. I like the differences, and so I'm definitely going to check out other fragrances that they have with this type of formula. The price of the whipped soap is $16.99. I don't know when y'all have seen this video, but it is currently on sale for $9.99. I don't know how long the sale will be for, but I'm just letting y'all know that it is on sale. And Ancient Cosmetics tend to always have sales too, which is awesome. Another thing that they sent me was a blueberry and mint body bar. The packaging, I have the one that I'm using right now in the shower. They sent me two, but this is what it looks like off rip. And they have tons of other scents, but if you know the first review that I did with Ancient Cosmetics, the blueberry and peppermint scent, I thought it was a weird combination at first, but it's amazing. It gives just like the amount of sweetness, but aromatherapy. I don't know how to explain the combination. Oh, but it smells so good. So when I use this, I cut it in half just because this is huge. Just so I can put it in a bar, like, you know, container. So when I did use this, I did feel it was a little dry. I ain't gonna lie. I am not used to bar soaps, and I do have dry skin. So I think it's because this has the sodium hydroxide in it. I think that's what makes it drying, because the ingredients are shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, fragrance, peppermint essential oil, mica powder, and water, and then the sodium hydroxide. So let me not like lie, let me make sure. Okay, so the body wash that I tried in the original review with this fragrance, blueberry and peppermint, does not have, it's sulfate free. So it does not have the sodium hydroxide. So I think they have to probably have it in a body bar to make it more sudsy. So that's something to know. It is a little bit drying. However, sis and gents, it's summertime, so I do appreciate a soap that is a little bit drying, quote unquote, just to strip the oils, the sweat, the grossness of summertime. So I don't mind that. So I definitely will be using this in the summertime. It won't be my winter soap for sure, but I like it nonetheless. Love the smell. Again, they come in different fragrances. The price for this one is $7.99. Currently on sale for $3.99. Again, I don't know when the sale's ending, so don't fight me, sis and gents. Just check out the website and see if it's on sale. So your girl does have a coupon code though if you are missing the sale, okay? The coupon code is Isha. It will also be in the description bar, and you'll be getting 50% off. 50. Yes, I did that for y'all. You know your girl had to re-up on the blueberry and myrrh body oil. I featured this in the channel, so I'm not going to speak about it too much, but I love this stuff. Is what I have on right now. And the ingredients is safflower oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, myrrh, essential oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. I am obsessed with this fragrance. No one can tell me nothing when I have this on. The price for this is $18.99, but currently on sale for $5.99. Again, I got a coupon code, so. But I'm about to put some more on just because I want to be extra. And, y'all, I love this oil. And I have sensitive skin, so this is really saying a lot to me. Like, this oil, like, it's hydrating, it doesn't leave me greasy, it smells good, and the scent lasts all day. Like, oh, love it. I also had to re-up on my Perfectly Even Skin face wash. This is for hyperpigmentation. Again, I featured this in that video. But this does have shea butter, turmeric root powder, castile soap, and lemon essential oil and olive oil. Ooh, and frankincense essential oil. This is all some good stuff. Again, it helps with hyperpigmentation. So the turmeric face wash works to brighten and even out skin tones, leaving you with refreshed skin that feels healthy, fresh, and smooth. Love the consistency of this face wash. This lasts me a very long time. So I use this every morning, faithfully, okay? This is $12.99. Again, it lasts a super long time. This honestly is the only face wash that doesn't irritate my skin and has the right amount of suds. It's working with my hyperpigmentation, has great ingredients in this. I also got the 4 natural ingredients face oil. I also mentioned this in that previous video, but it has avocado oil, grapeseed oil, turmeric oil, and grenadium oil. This is perfect for dry skin, and I use this every morning and every night as well. And this retails for $15.99. Okay, so although I was super excited for the body bar, the whipped bar soap, I was really excited for this bath bomb. Okay, y'all, like, so I got the blueberry and peppermint because I told them I love that scent. This has baking soda, cream of tartar, citric acid, peppermint essential oil, colonial clay. Oh, that's just why it's moisturizing. Okay, avocado oil. Ooh, this has some good stuff in here, and this is only $5.99 as well. So I ain't gonna lie though, I thought that this was gonna be like a bubble bath, but I had to keep in mind that a bath bomb and a bath bomb that's like a bubble bath are two different things. So that's probably on my fault, but this was still very luxurious. This was very, very, very moisturizing, y'all. Like, and it says it, drop bath bomb in bathtub and enjoy your moisturizing bath. My skin felt amazing when I came out, and then I used the oil, the matching oil, baby. Like, I was like swimming in my sheets at night. Like, I was super moisturized and happy, pleasantly happy. Okay, so again, this is $5.99. Oh, they sent me 2, in case you're like, why you have it, sis? They sent me 2, so I did use the other one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the scene that I did to set this up because I was super excited. 1, because it smells good, and 2, I knew it was gonna be moisturizing and it did not disappoint. So go ahead and check that out. Yo, wasn't that such a beautiful setup? Like, I was enjoying myself. Okay, I put the little blueberries in the drink, sis. I put some rose petals. Like, that was my spa day. That was my day. All in all, even though literally 3 of these products I've already tried, the face wash, the oil, and the body oil, I've already tried those and love it. My review of the new products is that the bath bomb, definitely moisturizing. I have the other one, as you can see. Cannot wait to use it. Love it. I think they have bubble bath. I think. Don't quote me. If they do, I definitely want one because I like me a bubble bath as well. The body bar, although it was drying, it is perfect for this season, and it's good to still kind of strip your skin but still have oils in your skin, if that makes sense. So definitely appreciate that. And the whipped body soap, never heard of that day in my life, but I love the concept of it. It's just a different consistency, and sometimes change is good, right? Definitely enjoyed this. Thank you again for Ancient Cosmetics. Make sure you check out Ancient Cosmetics. The links and everything will be down in the description bar. Again, I got you guys a coupon code, Isha, super simple. 50% off, shop till you drop, do that. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.